Good morning, student. Myself Chirag Sukhani from Rockwell BBA College, Vapi, and I'm going to teach you elements of strategic management subject. And we will continue our first chapter, that is conceptual framework of strategic management, and in that part C, that is strategic intent. Now, today in this session, we will discuss about role of mission in strategy formulation. Now, in earlier session, we discussed meaning and definition of the mission and the differentiate between vision and mission. So, what is mission? Mission shows reason for the organization existence. Yani it explains why the organization exists. Okay, that is what mission. So, in this session, today we mainly discuss about role, that is importance of mission in strategy formulation. Clear? Now, when the organizational mission is clearly defined, which ultimately help the strategists in formulating their strategy, and if the mission of the organization is clearly defined, clear cut mentioned, which ultimately help the top management, which ultimately help the strategists in formulating their strategy. So, role of mission in strategy formulation are as follow. So, first is deciding the direction. First is what? Deciding the direction. Now, mission helps in deciding the direction in which the organization may have to be proceed. Now, take an example, Ford Motor. Now, the mission of the Ford Motor is what? To improve continually our product and services to meet our customer need and provide a reasonable return for the stakeholders and owner of the business. Then, mission of Reliance Financial Services is what? A company exists to provide, or company exists in order to provide the high quality and integrated financial services and product to the client we serve. Then mission of Walmart to help the people save money so they can live better. So mission of the Procter and Gamble to provide branded product and services of the superior quality and value that improve the lives of the world's consumer now and for generation to come. So in each and every case, mission always deciding the directions in which organization may have to be proceed. So whatever strategic action can be geared in that direction only, or whatever strategic action can be taken to keeping in mind the mission of the organization. So either आप फॉर्ड मोटर लो, रिलायंस फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज लो, किधर भी वो लोग का मिशन क्लियरली डिफाइन है. सो जो भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रेटेजी बनाएगा वो स्ट्रेटेजी क्या ध्यान में रख के बनाएगा? मिशन ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. कि फॉर्ड मोटर ने मिशन बनाया कि कंटिन्यूसली प्रोडक्ट और सर्विसेज इंप्रूव करना है टू मीट अवर कस्टमर नीड. सो जो भी स्ट्रेटेजी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन फॉर्मुलेट करेगा ना, टू कीपिंग इन माइंड द मिशन ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. So mission always deciding the direction in which organization may have to be proceed. तो जो भी strategic action होगी, it is geared in that direction only, or we can say whatever strategic action can be taken to keeping in mind the mission of the organization. Clear? Second is clarify organization's aspiration. Now here aspiration is what? Organization's का desire, strong desire. Okay, so mission helps the organization to clarify its aspirations and those of various stakeholders. So again हम लोग एग्जाम्पल है फॉर्ड मोटर, यानी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का एस्पायरेशंस क्या है टुवर्ड्स द स्टेक होल्डर के. यहाँ पे स्टेक होल्डर से कस्टमर्स, सो कस्टमर्स को कंटिन्यूअली इम्प्रूव प्रोडक्ट एंड सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करना है. स्टेक होल्डर से ऑनर, सो ऑनर को अच्छे से अच्छा रिटर्न देना है. सो मिशन ऑलवेज क्लैरिफाई organization's aspirations and to those of the various stakeholders. So whatever strategic action can be aligned to these aspirations towards the stakeholder. तो जो भी strategy बनेगी वो strategy क्या ध्यान में रख के बनेगी? Organization का aspirations क्या है, desire क्या है towards the various stakeholder. So whatever strategic action can be matched, can be aligned to these aspirations towards the stakeholders. Clear? Third is serve as a reference point. Now mission serve as a reference point in dealing with वेरियस स्टेक होल्डर्स दैट इज विद इन एंड आउटसाइड द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, दैट इज कस्टमर्स के साथ कैसे डील करना है, स्टेक होल्डर्स के साथ कैसे डील करना है, ओके, ऑनर के साथ डील क्या कैसे करना है. सो मिशन ऑलवेज सर्व एज अ रेफरेंस पॉइंट इन डीलिंग विथ वेरियस स्टेक होल्डर्स एंड ऑनर स्टेक होल्डर्स दैट इज within the organization as well as outside the organization. Then fourth is help in integrating with the environment. So mission helps in integrating the organization with its relevant environment by taking suitable action, and these actions have been specified in the mission only. Now why the mission helps the organization integrating with the environment? Ultimately organization operate within the environment. Okay, so always mission helps the organization to integrate with its relevant environment by taking suitable action. And suitable action आप कहाँ पे mention करते हो? It is specified in the mission only. Okay, so हम लोग यहाँ पे example ले रहे हैं कि वॉलमार्ट का मिशन टू हेल्प पीपल सेव मनी सो दे कैन लिव बेटर. सो यहाँ पे ऑलवेज मिशन इंटीग्रेट करता है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से विद द एनवायरमेंट. ओके, सो क्या और वो एनवायरमेंट के साथ बाय टेकिंग द सुटेबल एक्शन, और क्या एक्शन लेना है ना वो ऑलवेज ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्पेसिफाइड करता है इन द मिशन. कि वॉलमार्ट का मिशन था कि पीपल को हेल्प करना है कि मनी बचाए सो दे कैन लिव द सो दैट दे कैन लिव बेटर. सो वॉट एवर एक्शन इट इज स्पेसिफाइड इन द मिशन. Then fifth, help in integrating the subsystem of the organization. So mission helps in integrating the organization with various subsystem of the organization. Now here subsystem is what? Subsystem is nothing but it is various functional areas of the organization. That is production, marketing, finance, HR, general management, information system, etc. Now this subsystem look at their objective and operations in the light of organizational mission only. That means जो ये various functional areas है, the department है, production, marketing, finance, HR, set their objective and operations by looking towards the mission of the organization. So mission again helps in integrating the various subsystem of the organization, because जो भी subsystem है वो अपना objective, operation, strategy क्या ध्यान में रख के बनाएंगे? Mission of the organization. So mission integrate subsystem of the organization. And last is convey the clear message. Now mission convey clear message about the organization to those outsiders who come in contact with the organization, so that they develop positive attitude towards the organization if they are well aware about its mission. Okay, so mission always convey, passes clear message to the outsider person who always come in contact with the organization, that is shareholders, customers, उसको क्लियर मैसेज पास करता है, सो दैट जो भी कस्टमर्स है, जो भी शेयर होल्डर्स है, दे डेवलप द पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड टूवर्ड्स द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कि हाउ टू interact with the organization, how to deal with the organization, because they are well aware about the mission of the organization. So these are the role or the importance of mission in strategy formulation. Yeah. Now in next session we will discuss about the formulation of mission, that is formulating the mission. Okay, bye. Thank you.